Venus. At the surface, its air is 95% carbon dioxide. The atmospheric pressure is like being 900 meters deep in Earth's oceans. It's hotter than anywhere else in the solar system except the Sun. And yet, visionary engineers and scientists are now unveiling daring new strategies to explore its tortured landscapes, to sail its turbulent upper-level winds, to imagine altering its very climate. They are taking the first steps toward settling the second planet from the Sun. Imagine frequent flights into the stormy clouds of Venus. The airships would be spun from carbon fiber harvested from the atmosphere itself. Their electric motors powered by the Sun. Ahead, a permanent floating station. A cloud city awaits.
I have been thinking of this idea that you could float habitats in the atmosphere of Venus. And the habitats could be very large. They could be kilometers in scale. And the interesting thing is if you did this, you wouldn't even need to have hydrogen or helium to make them float. Because the atmosphere of Venus is mostly carbon dioxide, oxygen and nitrogen, ordinary breathable air, would float in the atmosphere of Venus. And inside, they're giant bubbles. You can walk around on the inside because the air that's holding you up is also the air that you can breathe. The lifting gas is your environment.
The interior ecosystem can be lush, with plenty of room to breathe and plenty of acreage for growing food.
I'd love to see human explorers go to the atmosphere of Venus. I'd love to see human explorers that could operate via telerobotics some of our high-temperature systems on the surface of Venus, so that the humans would be in the atmosphere, but they're controlling by virtual reality a system that's on the surface of Venus. That would be a pretty advanced mission. That's not something that we're quite ready to do quite yet.
Success of such missions will depend on the people who fly them. No matter how comfortable the cloud community dwellings, scientists and engineers may only agree to work there if there's a guarantee of return to Earth.